The 15 MEF 3.0 POCs here at MEF19 that are showcasing are demonstrating a very wide range of aspects of MEF 3.0, but what's striking about them this year is the scale of their ambition and the impact that their work will have if they come to production level. We're seeing work in blockchain for frictionless commerce. We're seeing service assurance across multiple operator domains. We're seeing SD-WAN, very involved in use cases of SD-WAN. So the POCs here, not only do they bring together service providers and vendors that you wouldn't expect to see collaborating so closely and so productively, but they're also having a global impact on the future of the telecom industry.